Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show to your friends that you are AFK in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update, which is the vaulted event update, has been released in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. And from this update, we get new feature guys. You can go to the setting, and when you scroll down, you will find show as AFK. So if you want to show your friends that you are AFK, you can activate this feature, and there will be AFK notification like this. So your friends will know that you are AFK in Plants vs. Prey Nuts. I don't know whether this feature is useful or not, but yeah, it's kind of helpful guys if you want to show your friends that you are not there. And yeah, when you move, the AFK will disappear, and you can make it appear by clicking on this menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to show your friends that you are AFK in Plants vs. Spring Nuts game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!